CareLink services honest review watch before using. Most people looking for in-home care struggle to find trustworthy caregivers, but CareLinks promises to connect families with qualified professionals quickly and safely. CareLinks is a platform that connects clients with caregivers for elderly care, special needs support, or post-surgery assistance. One standout feature is its caregiver vetting process. Background checks, experience verification, and reviews from other families help ensure reliability and safety. Most people get this wrong. They assume all home care platforms are the same. The surprising truth is that CareLinks allows families to interview caregivers directly, review their profiles, and choose someone who fits their needs and personality. This personal touch makes a big difference in care quality. Another advantage is flexibility. CareLinks offers part-time, full-time, or temporary care, and rates vary depending on qualifications and location. Families can adjust schedules, communicate through the app, and even handle payments online, which simplifies administration. However, there are considerations. Prices can be higher than hiring directly, and the quality of care depends heavily on the individual caregiver. While the platform provides guidance, families should still actively monitor care and communicate expectations clearly. In conclusion, CareLinks is a valuable option for families who need trusted in-home care with flexibility and support. It streamlines the search and hiring process while giving you control over who cares for your loved ones. Subscribe for more honest senior care and service reviews before making your next hiring decision.